Hello students, welcome back to my class. Hope you are doing well at home. Today you are going to learn about gender. So what is gender and how many kinds of gender are there? Let's learn today. So what is gender? A gender indicates whether uh, whether a person or an animal is male or female. Okay, so there are four kinds of gender, that is masculine gender, feminine gender, neuter gender and common gender. So here we go. Let's start with masculine gender. So what is masculine gender? Masculine gender, it denotes a noun which denotes whether a person or an animal is male. So it is known as masculine gender. So masculine nouns refer to boys, men, and male animals. Here you see son, brother, rooster or masculine. And let's see what is feminine. Feminine, a noun which denotes a person or an animal is female. So it is known as feminine gender. So feminine nouns refer to girl, woman and female animals like girl, bride, hen, all these they belong to feminine gender. And neuter gender, it denotes neither male nor female. It is used to refer things like chair, bag, all these. Okay. And now common gender. Common gender, it denotes both male and female. Like you see teacher, male and female. Both we call them as teacher. Doctors, female and male. Okay. Now let's see how these masculine and feminine nouns are formed just by changing the spelling. Okay, so here some masculine nouns can be changed into feminine nouns by adding a suffix. Suffix means group of words which are added after the word. For example, you see here host, hostess. So we added ess to form the feminine. And hero, heroine, we've added I and E to the masculine and it changed into feminine noun. And here you see lion. Lion is masculine and the feminine gender, the feminine noun is formed just by adding ess to lion. So it became lioness. Okay. And now some masculine nouns can be changed into feminine nouns by dropping the vowel and adding ess. For example, you see here actor, actress, actor, OR, and we dropped that vowel O and we added ess. So it became actress. Actress is feminine. And tiger, tiger is masculine and just we dropped the E here, the vowel E, and we added ess. So it became tigress, it is feminine. And emperor, empress, and waiter, waitress. So waiter, we dropped this E and waitress, just we added ess to that. Okay, so just by dropping the vowel we can change the masculine noun into feminine noun. Okay. And now the feminine and masculine forms of some nouns are completely different, like rooster, hen. Rooster is masculine and hen is feminine. Nephew is masculine and niece is feminine. Monk, masculine and nun is feminine. Completely they are changed completely. Okay, so that doesn't depend on the spelling. Okay. And some masculine nouns can be changed into feminine nouns by adding a suffix again, like compound words like they are. Okay, see landlord, landlady. Land is same and lord, lady just changed. Grandson, granddaughter. Grand, it remained the same, and son and daughter we added the suffixes here. And grandfather, grandmother. Grand again the same and we added. And peacock, peahen also. The same like peacock and peahen even. Okay, so there are many more. You can learn the spellings of this, and by doing your workbook exercises, you can learn more about these masculine and feminine genders. Okay, thank you for now. Meet you in the next class.